Hey guys, wanna know how to write prompts so that you can generate your Ghibli AI art? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first up, open up your favorite web browser and type in ghibliart.ai. This will direct you to its official website. Now, make sure you are logged in, and on the top right corner, you can see your profile. You can either click on the dashboard or you can just select try for free. I'll just go on the dashboard this time. Now once you're here, you can see on the left side where you can upload your images and write prompts. So first up, just simply upload an image of your choice. Now, once you've uploaded your image, you can see the preview. Now to write the prompt, describe what you want to transform this image to. You can also add additional prompts. Now you can just write prompts of your choice, or you can just simply select one of these example prompts. Once you've done, just simply select on generate Ghibli image. And once you've done that, the Ghibli image should be generated and you should be able to preview it. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.